Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm doing a little bit of self-care Sunday, and I'm excited because I just ordered this water pick. Well, I actually ordered it like a few weeks ago, maybe like a month ago, and have yet to use it, but I'm going ahead and opening up my new water pick right now. But in today's video, I'm actually going to be using a home remedy for teeth whitening that I saw on YouTube. I saw this months ago, probably like the beginning of 2020. I saw Abby's, I think her name is Abby's Choice Remedy, did this remedy, and I was like, I gotta try this. Like, is this legit? Like, if you see the before and after pictures of her teeth, I was like, yo, there's no way. I definitely need to try this. So I meant to try this a long time ago and have yet to try it. So I'm gonna try it today. But first, I'm just opening up my water pick so I can get it charged up. I missed my dentist appointment in August, and I don't have one till late October, so I got a water pick just to kind of help me floss a little better and kind of get some irrigation going on in there. And yeah, so I'm just opening up my water pick, and then I'm going to pull out everything that we're going to need today to do the home remedy for teeth whitening. So the ingredients that we're going to need today are lemon, ginger, baking soda, toothpaste, and a new toothbrush. All right, I'm gonna grab my knife and go ahead and cut this lemon in half. And then I'm gonna squeeze out some of the lemon juice in this little ramekin that I have here that I'm gonna use for my mixture. So I'm just gonna squeeze it. Yeah, I thought I was strong enough to do it with one hand, but I wasn't, so I used both hands. Now I'm going to cut the ginger that's going to be used, and then I'm going to peel back the skin from the ginger. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, just peeling back the ginger, well, the skin of the ginger, I should say. Time to grate this ginger, and I wasn't sure what size I wanted to go with. I wasn't sure if I should go with like the smallest whole size on the grater or the next size, which was like a medium size, but I ended up going with the medium size. And I'll show you guys how it came out. I'm not sure if this is the right consistency or size, I should say, but that's how I did it. Oh, I'm just gonna put it in the ramekin with the lemon juice. I'm gonna move on to the baking soda. I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop some out. I think I did 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda is what I put in. And as soon as you put that in, the acid from the lemon, like it started bubbling like a science project. So the baking soda and the acid from the lemon were like bubbling, and I put about a little bit of maybe like pea size toothpaste in. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up my toothbrush, brand new toothbrush. And voila. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix up the concoction from this point. I definitely think as I was mixing, I probably put a little bit too much lemon juice, but it's all good. It was my first time. I really didn't follow measurements that Abby's Choice had on her YouTube, but I'm just going to go ahead and mix it all up really, really good. And then I'm going to head upstairs so I can brush this on. So now in the bathroom, pretty much saying, here we go. I didn't know what this was going to taste like or how this was going to be, so I was just like, oh God, what am I doing? But I went ahead and I just started to brush the concoction on my teeth. And to me, ginger comes off a little spicy. I don't know if anyone else feels the same way, but so it was a little spicy. Not really spicy because I love pepper. It's different from pepper, but I know this part's probably kind of gross, me drooling and splitting, but I did not want to swallow this. It does not taste good, so I was just kind of letting the drool like spill out of my mouth, and I definitely can see that in Abby's Choice, hers was a little bit more pasty. Mine was a little bit more liquidy, so I probably did use a little bit too much of the lemon juice and probably not enough of the baking soda. So if I do this again, I will fix that. So this is what my teeth looked like after. I'm not sure if they look whiter, but they definitely do feel like cleaner because you technically are brushing with acid. This was my teeth before with no flash. This was my teeth after with no flash. And I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I really didn't see a huge difference. I'm not sure how many times Abby's Choice had to do this to get her teeth so white, but I may try it again just to see.